Good morning, everyone. My name is ABIN Benny. I'm studying in Karunya University, second year of my BTech course, Computer Science and Engineering. So, guys, I'm gonna tell you about how to find the address, how to do an address calculation using row measure and column measure order. So, here is my question: create an M into X matrix. Write a function for calculating address for a cell in that matrix, which is stored in row measure and column measure order. Note: two-dimensional array, row measure and column measure calculation. The formula: address of ij, base address plus I into m plus j into size. As it is in column measure also, address of ij, base address plus j into n plus I into size. So here's our first program. So guys, as every program starts with their header file, so this program also starts with header file. Then we are calling function, then we are defining the functions. Definition of function: like my function names are 1D, 2D and 3D, that with expansion, one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. So now it's a main function where the program starts. I have declared a ch int ch. That means it is a choice. This ch is used for uh, remote control way, remote menu driven program. And while is a while loop. You guys may know about while loop. So let's start with our program. Enter the choice to find the address of variable. See out if one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. So your ch should be in 1 2 3, or you are going to type as 4, that will show you the default, means this number is invalid. Or if you are typing 1 2 3, so it may call the functions which will perform the operation. So as the switch case 1 is for one dimensional, case 2 is for two dimensional, case 3 is for three dimensional. Other than these numbers, it will show you an invalid number. After calling this function, as you are calling case 1, so it will directly call to a function called 1D. So it is going to 1D and performs the operation. In this, it is going to find the address of a variable or variable. According to the index number, it is going to find the address of that variable. If the index number is suppose 3, so it will find the address of the variable having index number 3. Then if your case is 2, that means it will again go to this switch case and ask you, do you wanna do again? Then press yes. Or if you don't want to do, then no. If you are pressing yes, so it will do again and ask you the same question. Enter your choice. So you are going to type as 2 and it will go to the second dimensional array. If you perform the operation, it will show the uh, address of a variable. Here row and columns are used. So in this uh, 2D array, we have used a switch case also for performing some operation, like for row measure and column measure. If you want to do an operation finding the address using row measure, so there is a case 1 which will perform the operation as row measure, and for column measure it will perform the column measure. After this, a 3D image. 3D means row into column and and one set. If the set is 3, then 3 sets of row and columns are there, and we have to find the address. So according to this, the formula is derived here. So after this, in this also it is used as row measure, column measure. The formula is here. So guys, now let's check if the program runs or not. So here's the address of a variable stored in an array. Enter the choice to find the address of one dimensional, two dimensional, or three dimensional. Let's guys do as one dimensional. So I have typed one dimensional. Enter the size. Don't take much longer size. If you want, you can take. So I'm going to take 4. Now enter the array elements 4, 3, 6 and 2. These are the array elements. I'm gonna enter. So enter the variable to find the address. So let me take the address of 2. Okay guys, this is the so you are gonna see all the address and then another address using a formula. uh, the address of a variable having index number 2 is uh, it is an hexadecimal number, so you can see that number and you can compare the uh, address with the element index number having 2. So element is 6 and it is a correct index number. So program is working guys. So if you want to do again, so press Y and do it. Now we can do it for second two-dimensional array. So I'm going to take it two-dimensional second, and here enter the number of rows. So 2 is enough. Enter the number of columns. 2 is enough. That's all. Now enter the element array elements. I'm gonna take 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is completed. The address of all values using formula. If you want this is the address which we are getting. Now using formula, according to formula, if you want to find in row major, so press 1 and you will get the row major and you can compare it is correct. So again, do you want again for column measure, then press Y, then column measure second, and you will get the answer. So if you want to do it again, so you can come out. We have done already row measure and column measure. Then I'm pressing no, means N. So I'm coming out. It is asking again. Do you want to do again? Then press Y and it will ask you enter the choice of array. So this time we are going to find the three-dimensional array. So I'm going to 3 and enter the rows. So I'm going to take 2, enter the columns 2 and set I'm going to take 1, or else it will be too heavy for me also performing operation. So I'm going to enter values 2, 3, 4, 2. So I got an address. Now I'm using formula. So I'm going to type 1 for row measure as usual. I'm going to type Y for finding a column measure also. So 2 is the same. Now I don't want to do it again, so I'm pressing no and I'm coming to that main while loop. So it is asking, do you want to do? Sorry, I don't want to do it again. So let's finish this. And now guys, have you have all understand this thing? So it is very simple and easy. Thank you for listening my program. Have a nice day. Bye.